Jai Srimanarayana. 46th sloka of 11th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Kiritinam Gadinam Chakrahastam Ichchamitvam Drashtumaham Tadhaiva तेनैव रूपेण चतुर्भुजेन सहस्रबाहो भव विश्वमूर्ते। ओम Visualize, picturize and meditate upon a beautiful, most pleasant form of Sri Krishna Paramatma. Sri Krishna Paramatma has 4 arms. Krishna Paramatma is holding Sudarsana Chakram, holding Gada, and Krishna Paramatma wearing a beautiful Kiritam. Such beautiful form, such handsome form, such pleasant form is also established, consecrated in the center of world first Gita Stupa in Bentonville. You do darsanam and keep meditating upon and keep absorbed into Sri Krishna Paramatma. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Krishna Paramatma strongly asking you to surrender to Him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, come to me, surrender to me alone, do not cry. Mamekam saranam vraja ma suchaha. Now you respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma saying that, Ho Krishna, Ho Sriman Narayana, I shall meditate upon your most pleasant form. I shall picturize, I shall visualize that you are holding a beautiful Sudarsana Chakram. You are holding Gada. You are wearing a beautiful Kiritam. O Krishna, O Sriman Narayana, I shall meditate upon your 4-armed, beautiful, handsome, pleasant form. I shall also remember that this is the form which is consecrated in the center of world first Gita Stupa in Bentonville. O Krishna, O Sriman Narayana, I shall surrender to you alone. I shall not cry. Sriman Narayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava. I shall obey your orders. Please help me act according to your heart. Sarvam Sri Krishna Arpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam sukamukhadamrutadrava sanyutam pibata bhagavatam rasamalayam muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantamanupeta krutyam dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava putreti tanmayataya taravobhineduhu tam sarvabhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naram chaiva narottamam devim saraswatim vyasam tato jayam udirayet. In Srimad Bhagavatam 7th Skandham, Suta Mahamuni giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshit Narendra, saying that, O Parikshit Narendra, Narada Maharshi saying Prahlada's story to Dharmaraju, saying that, "Oh Dharmaja," Prahlada saying to his friends like this, "Oh my dear friends, we need to be behaving in order to please Adhokshaja Sriman Narayana. We need to get rid of that demon qualities. Tustecha tatra kim alabhyam anante." Sriman Narayana is the cause of all the causes. And if the devotees can please Sriman Narayana with their behavior, there is nothing that devotees cannot attain. Everything can be easily attained once Paramatma is satisfied with us. Oh my dear friends, in Vedas there are so many things. Out of all the things, Swatmarpanam Swasuhrudaha Paramasya Pumsaha Vishnupada Padma Saranagati, surrendering to Sri Mahavishnu. Sriman Narayana is the most divine aspect in Vedas. So what happened is, once when I was in my mother's womb, then I listened to this Bhakti Bhagavat Dharmam from Narada Maharshi when I was in the womb of my mother. Oh my dear friends, once upon a time my father Hiranyakasipu, he went to Mandarachalam to do tapas. At that time, thinking that it is the chance, all the devatas attacked all the Danavas, demons. And in that process, Indra took my mother into his custody and taking away. At that time, Narada Maharshi comes to Indra and says that, "Indra, this lady doesn't know any kind of sins. She did not do any kind of sins. So it is not good for you to keep her in your custody. Please leave her alone." Like that, when Narada Maharshi said, Indra saying, "Oh Narada, in her womb, the seed of Danavas, there is a child. So until this lady gives birth to that child, she will be under my custody." Like that Indra said. Then Narada Maharshi saying, "Oh Indra, even that child also doesn't know any kind of sins. He is very pure. Not only that, Indra, that child who is going to be born is the great devotee of Sriman Narayana. You can never kill him." Like that, when Narada Maharshi said, Indra left my mother, and after realizing that I am Paramatma's devotee who is going to be born very soon, all the devatas came and did pradakshina to my mother and did namaskaram and left. Like that, Prahlada sharing his story to his friends. What happens next, we will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmad Gurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna Rakshatu no Jagatraya Guruhu Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishne Namarashatravo Vinihataha Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam Krishnasya Dasosmyaham. Krishne Tishtati Visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita 11th chapter 46th sloka. Kiritinam gadinam chakrahastam Ichchamitvam drashtumaham tadhaiva Tenaiva rupena chaturbhujena Sahasrabaho bhava visvamurte. Kiritinam gadinam chakrahastam Ichchamitvam drashtumaham tadhaiva तेनैव रूपेण चतुर्भुजेन सहस्रबाहो भव विश्वमूर्ते। श्रीमन्नारायण करिष्ये वचनं तव। सर्वं श्रीकृष्णार्पणमस्तु। जय श्रीमन्नारायण।